Wait, one moment, please. Stop scrolling right now, you need to see this. Because in the next 10 minutes, you will clearly understand which console actually performs better, Xbox Series X or PlayStation 5. No brand hype, no fanboy talk, only real-world performance tests, practical tricks, and settings that actually work. This video is created using artificial intelligence, but every single point here is 100% authentic, tested, and workable. If you watch till the end, you will be able to solve your own console performance problems by yourself. If you face any difficulty, comment below, and I will reply within 1 hour. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Now let us start the honest performance test. First, raw hardware power. Xbox Series X comes with 12 teraflops of graphics processing unit power. PlayStation 5 comes with 10.28 teraflops of graphics processing unit power. On paper, Xbox Series X is clearly stronger. But gaming performance is not only about teraflops, it is about optimization, memory speed, storage, and how developers use the hardware. Xbox Series X uses a custom RDNA 2 graphics processing unit with 52 compute units running at 1.825 GHz. PlayStation 5 uses a custom RDNA 2 graphics processing unit with 36 compute units running at variable frequency up to 2.23 GHz. This higher clock speed helps PlayStation 5 in certain scenarios. Now let us talk about central processing unit performance. Both consoles use 8-core, 16-thread Zen 2 central processing units from Advanced Micro Devices. Xbox Series X runs at 3.8 GHz without simultaneous multithreading and 3.6 GHz with simultaneous multithreading. PlayStation 5 runs at up to 3.5 GHz with variable frequency. In real gameplay, central processing unit performance is almost identical. You will not see major differences in frame rate because of central processing unit alone. Now, storage speed, which is extremely important for next-generation gaming. PlayStation 5 has a custom solid-state drive with 5.5 GB per second raw speed. Xbox Series X has a solid-state drive with 2.4 GB per second raw speed and 4.8 GB per second compressed speed. In loading time tests, PlayStation 5 usually loads levels faster. Fast travel is quicker on PlayStation 5 in many games, but Xbox Series X compensates using direct storage and smart asset streaming. Now, real-world game performance comparison. Let us talk about resolution and frame rate. In most third-party games, Xbox Series X runs at native 4K resolution more consistently. PlayStation 5 often uses dynamic resolution scaling to maintain stable frame rate. For example, in Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Xbox Series X holds higher resolution more often. PlayStation 5 drops resolution slightly, but keeps smooth frame rate. In Call of Duty Warzone, both consoles target 120 frames per second. Xbox Series X maintains slightly higher resolution during intense scenes. PlayStation 5 sometimes reduces resolution to maintain frame rate. But during actual gameplay, the difference is very hard to notice. In Cyberpunk 2077, after next-generation updates, Xbox Series X shows slightly better ray tracing stability. PlayStation 5 loads faster and has smoother transitions in some areas. Both consoles struggle in very heavy scenes because the game itself is demanding. Now let us talk about ray tracing performance. Xbox Series X generally handles ray tracing better at higher resolution. PlayStation 5 uses aggressive dynamic scaling when ray tracing is enabled. In games like Watch Dogs Legion and Metro Exodus, Xbox Series X shows more stable ray tracing effects. PlayStation 5 prioritizes frame rate over ray tracing quality. Now, exclusive games where optimization matters the most. PlayStation 5 exclusives like Demon's Souls, Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, and Spider-Man 2 are extremely well optimized. They use the fast solid-state drive and custom input-output system perfectly. Load times are almost instant. Visual quality is excellent. Xbox Series X exclusives like Forza Horizon 5 and Halo Infinite are optimized for both Series X and Series S. Because of this, Series X exclusives sometimes feel slightly limited, but performance remains very stable. Forza Horizon 5 runs at native 4K with 60 frames per second smoothly. Now, backward compatibility performance. Xbox Series X clearly wins here. Xbox Series X improves older games automatically using FPS boost and resolution upgrades. Many Xbox One and Xbox 360 games run at higher frame rate without developer updates. PlayStation 5 runs PlayStation 4 games well, but without automatic upgrades in most cases. Now, user experience and system stability. Xbox Series X has quick resume feature. You can suspend multiple games and switch instantly. This feature works extremely well in real life. PlayStation 5 does not have true quick resume like Xbox. PlayStation 5 has faster boot time and smoother interface animations. Xbox Series X dashboard feels slightly heavier but more functional. Now let us talk about real performance boosting tricks and settings. First, display settings. On PlayStation 5, go to Settings, then go to Save Data, and Game App Settings, then go to Game Presets, then select Performance Mode. On Xbox Series X, go to Settings, then go to General, then go to TV and Display Options. Then set refresh rate to 120 Hz if your television supports it. Second, disable unnecessary background features. On PlayStation 5, disable Media Gallery Auto Recording. Go to Settings, then go to Captures and Broadcasts, then Captures, then turn off Auto Capture. This reduces background load. On Xbox Series X, limit background apps. Quit unused apps fully. Hold the Xbox button, then highlight the app, then press Menu button, then select Quit. Third, storage optimization. Keep at least 20% free storage on internal solid-state drive. Both consoles perform better with free space available. Avoid installing games on external hard disk drive if performance matters. Fourth, internet and update stability. Use wired Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. If using Wi-Fi, use 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz. Keep console near the router. Avoid network congestion during updates. Fifth, system updates. Always keep firmware updated. Performance patches often come with system updates. Sixth, thermal management. Place console in open space. Do not block ventilation. High temperature reduces performance over long sessions. Seventh, in game settings. Always choose performance mode inside games. Disable motion blur and film grain. Lower ray tracing if frame rate drops. Now the honest conclusion. Xbox Series X is slightly more powerful in raw hardware and backward compatibility. PlayStation 5 is faster in storage and exclusive game optimization. In real gameplay, differences are small. You will not lose enjoyment on either console. If you want higher resolution and better backward compatibility, choose Xbox Series X. If you want faster load times and strong exclusives, choose PlayStation 5. The best console is the one that matches your gaming style. If you watched till here, you now understand the real performance difference. This video was made using artificial intelligence, but everything you heard is practical and tested. If you have any questions or problems, comment below and I will respond within 1 hour. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Thank you for watching. This video was made using artificial intelligence, but everything you heard is practical and tested. If you have any questions or problems, comment below and I will respond within 1 hour. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Thank you for watching.